Hello Christmas crafters, welcome to Create at Home with Elf Creations and today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a floral arrangement in my red truck. Now this is a red truck that I got on eBay. If they are still available I will leave a link in the description box below. This will be going on my dining table this Christmas of 2019 and I want it to be very woodland, so obviously greens and ivies and holly, because the hollies and ivies and that are going to be playing a key role in my decor this festive season. So I've got these ivy sprigs, and I just cut these off. They are from a garland that I'm going to be using, and this is one of the kind of trailing bits that came off, so I thought I'd just cut those off and use those. And I've got numerous bits and pieces from my Christmas stash, and I'm just going to be making a floral arrangement using those. I will try not to go, speed up too much, because I know a lot of you like to see these from start to finish. I am going to be putting 3 candles in the back of this red truck, so I'm going to put those in, and then it will give me an idea of where I can go. I had these candles in here during the autumnal period, and I want them to be in here again for Christmas. And I've got some holly picks, so holly is going to play a key role in my 2019 Christmas decor. So I'm going to leave as much. I'm going to leave those candles in, as because then I'll know where I can go and where I can't go. And some of these picks I've had for many a year, but most of them I brought over from Poundland over the years, and I like to dissect them and reuse them. Some items I got on eBay and places like that, and Wish, that type of. The main tip I can give you for using flower arrangements is, I've had no training. I know people have commented on how well they like my flower arrangements over the years, but I've had no formal training. But what I tend to think is, if it's pleasing to your eye, it will tend to be pleasing to somebody else's eye. And I think balance is key to a nice floral arrangement. I have these lovely winter roses which I'm thinking about incorporating. I got these from TK Maxx.
Sounding joy, repeat the sound.
to make sure that this is, you know, evenly spaced and everything's covered. So I just need to turn it around and put a few more things in the back here. This is going to be seen all the way around because it is going on a dining table, so you need to make sure that you fill as much as possible so you don't see any of the styrofoam or the floral foam. Okay, I'm liking that. Okay, crafters, I will bring my camera down so you can have a look at it.